Yo guys, welcome back to another One Frame with me. In this video, I'm actually going to I do something with the high dynamic range image. So last night on my way home, I actually grabbed a shot. I think it's gonna work out pretty well. Again, here I'm also testing out the new Samsung Go Mic Mobile. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Does it sound okay? If you guys can't hear me or any issues, please let me know. But anyways, let's jump into here. I already loaded up my photo. This is not a raw photo. Again, this is a HDR, which stands for high dynamic range. And as far as I know, I think basically the camera kind of takes a high overexposed, and then it takes an underexposed and puts them together, and then you can kind of get a little benefits of both. But you gotta pardon me for the background noise. I'm at work here. I'm gonna jump into HDRscape. And first thing first, I'm gonna jump in here. And now this is interesting, guys. You see how I have above this, above right about there, you see how I have these rays? That is because I didn't clean my lens before I shot this photo. Now, you know, it worked out okay in this photo in a sense. Kind of made it like some light razor coming out. But guys, you always wanna make sure you clean your lens. Fingerprints, smudges, they do this. You get this type of halo, which I didn't really want in the photo, but it worked out okay. So what I'm gonna do here, let's jump in, make some quick adjustments here on our HDR. Let's go through the presets. We got natural, we got people, fine. Ooh, fine looks pretty cool, brings out the ground a lot. And strong. Okay, I think I'm gonna start off here and then just kind of work my way. I'm gonna bring the brightness down a little bit more. Saturation, I'm gonna leave that where it's at. We're gonna work on that later. Let's see, that's 0. And that's all the way up. I'm kind of liking that. I like how the ground, you can see the ground. That looks really cool. Okay, we're going to go ahead and save that. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and jump into my tune image. And then from here, let's see, we got the brightness. Brightness, kind of bring that up. Contrast, bring that down. Saturation, just a little bit of desaturation. Ambience, this might be interesting. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. Ambience, let's bring it about right there. Highlights, let's see if I can knock that down just a little bit, about there. Shadows, yuck, that looks gross. I'm actually gonna bring my shadows down a little bit. And warmth, we can bring it on the cool side since it was at night. Here's the warmth. The warmth looks pretty cool too. But this was in the evening. I'm gonna bring it down. I really like that. That looks really cool, but it's too much. Let's just put it about right there. Okay, zoom out. Hit OK on that one. Now I'm gonna rotate my image because it is a little bit off, as you can see. So let's get a little bit of rotation here and line it up with the ground. Boom. That should be nice and straight. Fantastic. Okay, that's gonna be it for this. Let's jump out of Snapseed. Go ahead and export. Next, we're going to go ahead and I'm probably going to jump into VSCO. So let's see here. Let's go to VSCO. Again, I want to see if I can use that the AL filters again. Where we were at Snapseed. There we go, Snapseed. Open. And now what I'm going to do is click here. We'll go ahead and jump into the filters. And again, I already have something in mind. Here we go. Let's see AL1. Interesting. It brings up the highlights a little bit more though. Ooh, AL2. I think, and that looks total sci-fi ET-ish. A3 is not bad too. A4, not feeling it. Not feeling that one. Really feeling A6, but it's just a little too much on the blue side. I think I'm gonna go ahead and jump into, man, it's in between A1 or A2. Man, A1. Let's go A2 and let's get inside here and see if we can bring that about half. Jump in here, my tonal splits. Let's go to the highlights. See what that does. Let's bring that down. Just, you know what? I like it where it's at. Shadows. Yuck. Let's bring that to about there. Okay, that looks good. Grain, just a touch of grain, guys. Not too much, just about there. Tonal splits. I already have the blue going. Let's see if we have some more blue in the shadows. just a little bit, ever so much. Okay, highlights. And don't like that red. Let's see here if I kill. It makes a little bit of a difference here, huh? Put it about there. Okay, exposure. Whoa, that actually made a little bit of a difference, huh? Just bring everything kind of. Let me see. Now see all that artifacting on the side there? We don't want that. That's a little bit too much. So I want to bring that to you. Just can't see that. There we go. That looks cool. Contrast. And no, don't need it. Let's leave that where it's at. Okay, adjustments. I already made my adjustments. Sharpening. Saturation looks good. Hang on, let's go to skin tone. Sometimes this does a little bit. Not really making a difference. Kill that. Okay, let's jump into the sharpening here. Just bump it up. I think I'm gonna go to about 2. Okay, vignette, don't need it. We already have a vignette action happening. And the fade, I don't think we're really gonna use the fade today. It already has, yeah, don't need the fade. Kill that. Nice. That actually looks really cool, guys. I'm actually liking this one. Let's jump out, hit save. And go ahead and export. Save to gallery. Next, we'll go ahead and give this an Oscar. And jump back here, back out. And let's jump into Oscar. Bada bing, load this one up here. Let's scroll down. There's my VSCO. Boom. And let's try to frame this up. Now, if I put the 3 points here, if I put this bottom line on the horizon, let's see how that's going to look. Because that was what I originally, my intention when I shot the original photo was like that. Let me see what that looks without the text there. I think this is going to work. We're going to use that. It kills that top halo a little bit, but that's okay. I didn't really want that in my shot. Okay, let's go ahead and save it. That's going to be a wrap. Boom, bada bing. And let's go ahead and open up our image here. Okay, this is what we have here. This is our after. And let's see if I can load up the before. And our before. And there's our before. Big difference. Anyways, guys, Patrick LeVar, IG TV. Stay tuned. Got some more stuff coming for the channel. If you're not new, consider subscribing, like, and sharing. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.